listing ceremony of MACOBS Technologies Limited on the NSE platform. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome once again. May I please request everyone to kindly take your seats. We are beginning the event. Ladies and gentlemen, requesting your kind attention, please. Thank you. Today is not just a day, it's a milestone, a celebration of dreams realized, hard work rewarded, and a vision turned into reality. I'm Priyanka Roila, Master of Ceremonies today, and we are here to witness the listing ceremony of MACOBS Technologies Limited on the NSE platform. This is a moment of immense pride for all of us, and it's my absolute pleasure to welcome each one of you for this historic event. आप सभी का आज की सेरेमनी में तहे दिल से स्वागत. MACOBS Technologies, established in 2019, it's a visionary company dedicated to celebrating and empowering individuals through thoughtful brands. The company was founded by its very young team, Mr. Dushyant Gandotra, Ms. Divya Gandotra, and Mr. Shivam Bhateja. MACOBS identified a gap in the market for brands, specially addressing the needs of men. This realization led to the launch of Menhood, a pioneering brand in the male grooming and lifestyle sector. Menhood offers a premium range of products tailored for the discerning modern man, reflecting the company's dedication to providing high-quality solutions. And before we proceed further, may I request everyone to kindly rise in respect of the national anthem.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Jai Hind. And now, as we begin, I would like to welcome the various dignitaries who have joined us today. We will welcome them all with beautiful bouquets of flowers, and I take the pleasure of introducing them as I first invite Mr. Dushyant Gandotra, Managing Director of MACOBS Technologies Limited. From NSE, I now invite Ms. Parvati to please come and accept a floral bouquet for welcome. And now please welcome with me our chief guest, who needs no introduction, Mr. Sunil Shetty ji. From the company's management, I now invite Mr. Abhinav Shukla. Now I invite Mr. Shivam Bhateja, co-founder and chief marketing officer. Inviting now Ms. Divya Gandotra, co-founder and chief branding officer. Inviting now Mr. Narendra Wadhwa, Director, SKI Investment Banking. A big round of applause for all our dignitaries. And I love the energy, guys. Please keep this up throughout the event. Now, as per our Indian tradition, we will now commence this very auspicious occasion with the lamp lighting ceremony. हम दीप प्रज्वलित करके आज के कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करेंगे. And I graciously invite all our dignitaries from the company management, our chief guests, to please come, NSE officials to please come for lighting of the lamp.
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ
वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिः समप्रभ
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा.
Thank you. Now to present the opening speech, present the opening speech, I invite Mr. Narendra Wadhwa from SKI Capital.
Good morning, everyone. Parvati ma'am, Dushyant, Shivam, Divya, the young promoters of MECOP, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, Shetty ji, Avinav Shukla ji, and our valued partners. Today marks the momentous occasion in the journey of MECOPs. We are gathered here to celebrate the IPO, the initial public offering and official listing on NSE platform, the NSE Emerge. What a platform for NSE MSMEs to raise funds and get recognized. This milestone is testament to the hard work and dedication and innovation that have driven MECOP to this point. As a lead manager, I have had the privilege of witnessing the unwavering commitment of the MECOPs team through my son Manik, who couldn't be here because of his health issues, who was closely involved in this IPO process. The vision, resilience, and passion have brought us to this exciting day. The decision to go public is not just a financial milestone, it is a strategic step that will propel MECOPs to a new heights, allowing them to expand their impact, innovate further, and create even more value to their customers, employees, and the stakeholders. I would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to Dushyant, Shivam, Divya, and the entire team of MECOPs. Your dedication and hard work have paved the way for this success. I also want to acknowledge and thank the investors and advisors who have provided invaluable support and guidance through this journey. To our new shareholders, thank you very much for your trust and confidence in MECOPs. We are excited about the future and opportunities that lie ahead. Together, we will continue to drive growth, innovation, and value creation. Today's listing is not just a culmination of past efforts, but the beginning of new chapter. As we ring the opening bell, let us celebrate the achievements so far and look forward to the exciting possibilities that future holds for MECOPs. Once again, congratulations to everyone involved. Special thanks to my son Manik, Ganesh, our investment team, and RTAs, Mahashitla. Thank you again for joining us today for this remarkable journey. Special thanks to Shriram sir, who is going to join us shortly, who is a CBO, Chief Business Officer of NSE. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And now I'm pleased to introduce the brains behind this idea, and I start with inviting Mr. Dushyant Gandotra, Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer, MECOPs. Dushyant's journey began with a simple yet profound realization, which is a gap in the market for male grooming products that truly understood and catered to the needs of men. Over to you.
Good morning, one and all present here. Big day. So today marks a historic milestone in the journey of MECOPs Technologies. It is both an honor and my privilege to stand before you all on this momentous occasion of our Indian public offering. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our shareholders and board members. Your immense faith, trust, and strategic insights have been instrumental in bringing us to this stage. Thank you for your consistent support. Thanks a lot. And to our incredible team, each one of you has played a crucial role in our success. Your dedication, hard work, and faith in our vision have been the driving force behind our achievements. We believe that the culture of which we have built our team has been the driving force behind what we are today. The culture of believing in each other, the culture of working hard, the culture of uplifting each other, the culture of making vision into a reality, the culture of McOps Technologies. So this is very interesting. So our company is named McOps under the name for the legendary Steve Jobs. So we took Mac from the Macintosh and Ops from Ops, which makes Steve Jobs. So McOps Technologies. So as Steve Jobs said, the people who are crazy enough to think that they can change the world are the ones who do. And at McOps, we are those crazy ones who all had a dream and a tireless passion to turn those dreams into a reality. Our journey began with a simple vision but a great dream, right? So we have achieved remarkable milestones, either from being the pioneer of this category, followed by the big brands, to being the bestseller brand on various marketplaces in India, to present in more than 3 countries, as I say today, to the most esteemed financial institution of India, that is National Stock Exchange. So these accomplishments are testament to our collective effort and strong foundation, which we all have built together. Today, as we embark on this new chapter, going public is not just a financial milestone, but it is a validation of our vision and our values which we inherit. As we look to the future, our mission remains clear. We will continue to innovate, to push boundaries, and to lead with integrity and excellence. Our commitment to our customers, shareholders, and the team will grow stronger and stronger and stronger and stronger. In closing, I want to express my heartfelt thanks once again to everyone who's been part of this journey and everyone who's present here. Special thank you to my parents for your endless love and sacrifice and encouragement. I'm really, really grateful. I'm really proud, and I don't have words for that. Thank you for being the foundation upon which I have built my dreams. To my co-founders, Divya and Shivam, thank you for being there like a backbone and making McOps what it is today. Thanks a lot. To the team for always believing in our vision and working around the clock to make that vision into reality. And to everyone who has been there with us in different stages of our journey. Today, it is the beginning of the new era, and let us celebrate this achievement. And a special thank you so much for Sunil sir, Abhinav sir, and Madhva sir for being here. Thanks a lot. It's a great pleasure for being there. So, let us begin the new era of McOps Technologies. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Gandotra, for those inspiring words. Your vision has truly set the foundation for what McOps today stands for. Now, it is my pleasure to introduce and invite the Chief Branding Officer McOps, Ms. Divya Gandotra. Divya's role at McOps has been pivotal as she has crafted the unique brand identity that sets manhood apart in the highly competitive grooming industry.
Thank you so much, everyone. So, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, thank you for being here to share this historic moment with us. As today we mark a significant milestone in the journey of McOps, we celebrate our IPO listing on the National Stock Exchange. This achievement is not just an evidence to our hard work, but also a reflection of the trust and support we have received from all of you. Today's day is a bit emotional as well, and I think nothing could have been better. No day could have been better to what I want to express. So, first of all, I would thank a few people. Thank you, Almighty. This belongs to you. Thank you, Mummy, Papa. Thank you so much. You stood by our side in difficult times and made us focus solely on what we wanted to build. Your belief in us has been a driving force behind every achievement that we celebrate today. And I also want to express my gratitude to my mentors, early supporters, and partners who believed in our vision from the very beginning. Then Dushyant, who is the founder of the company, my younger sibling, I would like to say that I am proud of you. You are a superstar. I have seen you working day and night to achieve this milestone. Most importantly, Shivam, our co-founder, thank you for everything. Your wisdom and leadership have guided us through every challenge and opportunity, and your ability to see the big picture while managing the smallest details has been instrumental in our success. Also, I am profoundly grateful to the customers for their loyalty and support, which have been the silent partners in our journey, driving us to exceed expectations and redefine possibilities. Now, there is one thing that I always wanted to share. Throughout our journey, there was one question that was consistently emerging. And that question was, how are you building your company? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So, I think today is the best day to answer this question, and I'll answer this today. I'll connect this with a very short story that exactly imitates how we have built our company. On a random day, there were a few passers-by who were asking a question to 3 people consistently, what are you doing? And all the 3 of them gave different answers. The first one said, are you blind? Can't you see that I am cutting a stone? The second one said, this is what I do every day. I am just trying to earn my living. The third one stood happily and said, I am building a glorious temple. Though all 3 of them were doing the same work, their perspective was entirely different. And now here comes the catch, which makes us one of the best. When the content writers of MacOps Technologies were writing the ad scripts, were writing the content, they were not just writing stories. When the designers were working, they were not just making graphics and videos. When the marketing team was promoting the products, they were not just selling. When the tech team was building processes, they were not just automating the system. When the operations team was serving the customers, they were not just taking the orders and the services. Rather, all of them were working towards a common goal, common objective. They were not writing, they were not designing, they were not coding, but heading towards a common objective, and that was building a brand which is called Manhood today. I am proud to say that we, with our team, has smashed the taboo in style, and we together look forward to create a future full of opportunities, moving towards legacy. Hey team, I'm proud of you all. Many passers-by will pass and ask questions, but they will find us strong together. People might think that we have reached the destination, but I will rather say that the actual journey begins now. The new era has started from being our company to your company, from being private limited to being public limited. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment we have all been waiting for is not far. It's arrived. In fact, I invite all the dignitaries from MacOps, NSE, family members to please come up on the stage. We are very short on time now for the bell ringing ceremony, just 42 seconds away from now, when we will see the golden moment where the brand will be listing on NSE. Requesting everyone to form a semicircle around the bell. And when we are 10 seconds away, Please do join me with the countdown with the same energy. Everyone with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Congratulations to everyone at MakeOps Technologies Limited for this golden moment. A quick group picture to capture this moment for us. And then we will commence with the rest of the ceremony. Please welcome Mr. Ashish Kumar Chauhan from NSC. He's also joined us now.
I think you tell them to, just give the listing bell and this, and my. You will be present. Yeah.
Requesting everyone to please take your seats. And from NSC, Ms. Parvati would like to present a special memento to Jacobs Technologies, and to receive the same, I invite our young team of Dushyant, Divya and Shivam. Before we proceed to the felicitations, I invite Mr. Shivam Bhateja, Chief Marketing Officer, to please come and present his address to us. Shivam is known for his relentless passion for innovation and his consistent commitment to excellence.
Thank you so much everyone for coming here. Though I don't have much time to speak, so I'll shorten my script to maximum 30 seconds. But thank you so much everyone for making it today what we are. And special thanks to Narinder sir, Sunil sir, and the family for supporting us, for being with us, and hoping the same for the future. And one line that I have prepared, or you can say just came in my mind while driving the car. We work 24/7 for this 24/7. This is 24th of July, 24/7. बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं कहने को, but अभी काफ़ी सारी चीज़ें और है. So thanking my team. आपके लिए भी काफ़ी कुछ है. It is just a start. It is a new beginning of a great era. We are just listed. It is a start. It is not an end. It is a day one. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, Shivam. I now invite from the company management, Mr. Abhinav Shukla, to please come and address the gathering.
Good morning, all. At the outset, I would like to welcome you here. Anna, thank you for being here. Thank you, Parvati, for being here. And the team of MacOps. Wow, what a moment. हम लोगों के लिए खुशी की बात यह है कि आज हम यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर के साथ जुड़ने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. हमें लगता है कि ये एक बहुत अच्छा पीरियड है जहां ऐसे और एंटरप्रेन्योर्स एसएमई सेक्टर्स में निकल के आए जिनके साथ हम मिलके और काम कर सकें. एनएससी का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद कि आप इन लोगों को प्रमोट करते हैं और ये जर्नी तो भी शुरू हुई है, हमारी तो लाइफ लॉन्ग रहने वाली है. तो आपसे यही आशा है कि आप इन बच्चों को इसी तरीके से सपोर्ट करते रहेंगे. अमेय, Romil, we all have been here. We've seen MacOps going through all this. Raman is not here, unfortunately, but he was the man who identified this company and took this far. And thank you to Vadhva Sahab to, support and give your full to this IPO listing. We all very happy. And without taking much time, I want to call Anna as a mentor of this company from here on to come and speak some word and give them the motivation. Thank you.
Good morning. You know what's amazing is I feel I'm watching the World Cup with India in the finals. That's the kind of energy that is here. It's the beginning of the game. We haven't won it yet. But big congratulations to MacOps, especially Divya, Dushyant, Shivam. Divya, your speech was fiery here. If that's the passion you're going to have, I don't see any reason why you cannot fulfill those dreams of yours. Because I honestly believe it's no more about, grooming is not about self-importance anymore. It's about self-respect. And when that comes in, there's a massive market out there. It's not about just looking good, but it's about feeling good. So trust me, being from an industry that believes very, very strongly in this, because you are in the world of glamour and everything about it, our personality is about looking good, feeling good, and thereby expressing yourself equally well on screen. So I see a huge potential here. A big congratulations to you. A big congratulations, the very best to my younger brother, Abhinav, for having identified a company. And I see that energy. I met Shivam yesterday, a few days back also, and the energy that he has and the thought behind everything is unbelievable. So God bless. You guys have the knowledge and you have the wisdom too. So make it work, and I'd say thank you, NSE, for making this possible, and to all your young entrepreneurs out there, India is it.
Thank you, sir. It's great to have you with us today. And thank you, Mr. Abhinav Shukla, for the speech. And now from NSE, I graciously invite Ms. Parvati Murthy to please come and address us. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. The team of Makeups, Mr. Dushyant Gandotra, Ms. Divya Gandotra, Mr. Shivam Bhateja, the management, Mr. Shukla, the chief guest of honor, Mr. Shetty, and their partner from Merchant Banking, Mr. Narendra Vadva. Good morning to all the dignitaries, the family members, the well-wishers, and the team. We welcome you to the listing ceremony, which has been a successful listing already. NSE is proud to welcome Makeups Technology to our family of listed companies. This would be the 502nd company to be listed on the NSE Emerge platform. The market capitalization of the NSE Emerge listed companies has crossed 1,75,000 crores. Till date, the companies on this platform have raised collectively 11,801 crore, and from today onwards, Makeup Technologies is going to be an integral part of this. A bit about India. India is the largest market, the fourth largest market in the world in terms of market capitalization, with about 5.35 trillion. This is as of the 10th of July. It's just after US, China, and Japan. The market capitalization of India has grown 110 times in rupee terms since the time NSE started in 1994. It is also among the largest markets with 9.5 crore unique PAN investors and 7 crore plus households. That's almost 20% of India's population investing directly in the stock markets today. NSE is the largest exchange in the world, and we recently have set a new world record, handling the highest ever number of transactions in a single day. We handled 1,971 crore orders and 28.55 crore trades on the 5th of June 2024. It is indeed a testament of the entrepreneurial spirit of India and the belief of Indian investors on its entrepreneurs. The IPO of Makeups with 19.4 crores of issue size has garnered a good response, and we did see the listing ticker just a while before. We are very hopeful that a young company like Makeups successfully listing today will inspire many more companies to look at the public markets as an alternate for fundraising. We are committed to facilitate fundraising opportunities for upcoming and young organizations to chart their growth stories and to make capital markets more accessible to all. We hope that this listing is a start of a strong partnership between us going forward. I congratulate the entire team of Makeups Technologies, the young and vibrant crowd here. The merchant banker, SKI Capital, and all the parties associated with this IPO. Today's accomplishment is a testimony of your hard work. Just to inform you, one more company is getting listed today on the NSE Emerge platform, that is Kataria Industries, which is based out of Ratlam in MP. So once again, a hearty welcome to Makeups Technologies Limited, to the NSE family. We look forward to supporting you in all your future fundraising endeavors. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, ma'am. And now, ladies and gentlemen, to commemorate the significance of this event, we will now have an exchange of mementos. And I invite Ms. Parvati from NSE to present the memento to Mr. Narendra Vadva. We will have a special memento first, which is the listing certificate and the bell for the listing. And I invite to receive the same the company management, Mr. Dushyant, Mr. Shivam, and Ms. Divya. certificate that tells you you are listed. How wonderful. And now we present the Bell Memento, also from NSE. And now we present the special Proud to be Listed badges from NSE. The Proud to be Listed badges, ladies and gentlemen. May I request the company management to also present the memento to NSE, Ms. Parvati.
Okay, yes. Memento.
Thank you. And I now request Ms. Parvati to present the memento to Mr. Narendra Wadhwa, Director of SKI Capital. Okay. And I request the management of MAKOBS back on the stage as we have mementos for a few more dignitaries who have been instrumental in making this day possible. Please. And to receive the memento, I invite Ghanish Nagpal, BRLM. Mr. Abhinav Shukla, Acme Group. Mr. Nishant Ghosh, Acme Group. Mr. Anand Prakash, Acme Group. Mr. Nitin Bansal, CA to the company. Mr. Aditya Solanki, Acme Group. Mr. Jigar Parekh, Acme Group. Mr. Saurabh Gandhi, Acme. Mr. Deepak Shukla, also Acme Group. Mr. Alok Singh, Acme Group. So now, okay. Now I invite Shivam to please come back and present a special memento to Sunil Shetty sir.
Thank you so much, Sunil sir, for accepting the invitation. Had a wonderful coffee at your place and hope to see much more coffees in the future. Thank you so much, Sunil sir, for gracing this occasion. Have a round of applause for Sunil sir.
Inviting next, Mr. Yogesh Gupta. Mr. Mayank Vijay. Mr. Sujit Kar. What? Do we have Mr. Sujit Kar here? That's Mayank Vijay. Thank you. Sujit Kar. Okay. Mr. Sharad Krishnan. And what a lovely name next, Tipu Sultan. May we also have Mr. Vijay Kumar come closer to the dais, please? Mr. Vijay Kumar. And next would be Nishant Bhairwa. May I please request him to also be ready? Mr. Nishant Bhairwa. Next would be Mr. Kuldeep. Mr. Kuldeep. Next would be Muhammad Alim. Sir, please be ready. Muhammad Alim. Next would be Mr. Vijay Kumar. I now invite Mr. Amey Belorkar. And last but definitely not the least, Romil Ramgharia. That's it, ladies and gentlemen. As we conclude today's event, I once again take this opportunity to thank everyone for joining us today. It's been a milestone, and I also congratulate the entire team of MakeOps Technologies, as we are grateful to our host, NSE, the book running lead managers to the issue, our members of the board, our family and friends, well-wishers, our shareholders, and all you lovely viewers watching us here and live. Thank you for taking time to celebrate this moment with us. And please feel free to join us for the breakfast here, which is set up inside, and have a great day ahead. Thank you.
Excuse me, the whole team, please come upstairs for a picture with Sunil sir. स्टेज पे बुलाओ भाई, यहाँ बोल दो चाहे।
टीम मैकॉप्स एक बार फोटो के लिए स्टेज पर आ जाए।
खांद्याला लावून घे जा.
and gentlemen, we have a surprise memento from NSC, a special picture taken at the time of the Golden Memento bell ringing ceremony. And may I request Mr. Dishant, Shivam and Divya to please come back up on stage to receive the special picture. And we have Ms. Parvati from NSC to present the surprise memento. तो हमने बहुत सारी पिक्चर्स क्लिक किए आज, but that 10 o'clock golden moment has been also captured in this very momentous picture. That's Miss. That's Miss Parvati presenting the special memento.
केलंच नाही लाईन आहे कोणच नाही आहे
Thank you everyone. We're now wrapping up all stage activities.
एक शॉट घ्यावा लागतो सगळ्या
Prepare for the next event.
एक शॉट घ्या तिकडे एक शॉट आला असेल बघ
काय करणार
तो उभा आहे ना तुमच्या साईडला
Dear guests, kindly proceed towards the regular setup.
त्याच्या आईला गेलं की कॉम्बिनेशन घेतलं कॉम्बिनेशन आलं घेतलं पण त्याचं कॉम्बिनेशन घेतलं तिकडे आलं असेल बघ
अरे टीम में कौन फटाफट जल्दी आ जाओ सब विदाउट मिसिंग सब आ जाओ
तिकडे काचेवर
पूरी टीम आ जाओ